What's up, guys? We got an Isuzu NRR 2025. We gave them the Excalibur alarm with the linker module. This is the new one, by the way. To turn off the alarm, you're gonna hit unlock. Okay, unlocks your doors. This one came with power locks. I think all these new ones come with power locks anyway. To arm it again, you're gonna hit lock. Okay. To remote start it, you're gonna press this thing here until you'll keep holding it down until it completes the circle. We could also program it that you don't need to complete the circle. You can just tap it. But I think for safety, it's better to complete the circle. It's going to remote start. By the way, this thing you can program this new linker. You can program it to an app. You can select that you want to receive the alarm notification by text message as well, along with push notification and email. It also tells you that GPS. It gives you a GPS for security reasons. We're not going to show where it is. The truck remote started. Let me put this phone here for a second. It also comes with the remote. If you're going to get in, you can hit unlock on the fob. The minute you open the door, it shuts off the system. The truck, I mean. That way somebody doesn't jump in and have any ideas taking off of your truck. To arm it, you're going to hit lock. Comes with two fobs. Okay. From the phone, you can do it anywhere in the world. You don't have to be next to the truck or anything like that. You can be in another country. In fact, as long as you got cell phone reception, you can arm and disarm it and remote start and do everything. It doesn't require a hotspot inside your vehicle, nothing like that. This unit connects to the server. First year is free, and after that, it's $39 a year. But the first year is free, and then it has a plan that if you pay. So if you come over here and you choose, let me see where it is. Oh, here. If you choose the premium plan, what it does, it gives you this plan right here. This phone is a little laggy here with this connection here, but it gives you speed alert, geofence. Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, I hit the wrong place. Buy premium plan. This one here gives you still on a white screen. It should not do that. It should go. I believe what's going on is his phone. He's got the letters on his phone size way too big, and I think the app doesn't recognize that. But yeah, the normal phone with the letters not zoomed in. You'll be able to see everything what the plan gives you. It gives you speed alert, geofence, gives you turn by turn on the GPS. A couple more bells and whistles. A lot of people don't need it, but it's there if somebody wants to pay $99 a year for it. It gives you low battery notification as well. Anyway, I'm gonna put the phone on standby. We're gonna go ahead and arm it and then trigger the alarm. What triggers the alarm, by the way, if somebody opens the door or they bang on the window, the alarm sets off. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. You're going to see that the alarm's going to set off.
Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle. Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
So it gives you the notification anywhere you are in the world, so you know that there's somebody opened the door, they banged on your window, and the alarm fired off. It has start and kill, so the truck won't start. And then if you open the door, of course, it's got the antenna here that's going to have the blinking light. This antenna is just to give you range on the clickers. And it's got the valet button here in case you ever want to disable the alarm if you take the truck in for service or whatnot. The alarm is programmed not to arm by itself. A lot of people don't even do anything. They just drop off the truck. But we can also program it so when you close the door, it will automatically arm in 30 seconds and lock the doors. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video. Yes, we do have mobile service, so if you have one of these trucks and you want to get this done, just give us a call. The number again is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.